Hey, YouTube people, what's up? It's your boy, Mobile Gamer Capone, aka Capone, aka I'm on one. What I got here, um, eh, my Samsung Galaxy S4G. Now, I've installed the custom menu and I've installed a custom ROM. I installed CM10. No, not CM10, CM9. And it was working very well, And then I decided to change ROM, and I installed Team Passion, Ice Cream Sandwich, Passion Kiss, something of that sort. So like, so now the phone was bricked, right? So I I flashed the official firmware back to 2.36. Was working. Then like it was on for like the whole day, and then it just went down. So I don't know. It just won't turn on now. Look, no indication, no charge on the screen, no nothing. Only thing happens is that it just get hot. It just get hot when I put in the battery. When I put in the charger, it just get hot right here. The section right here just get hot. The battery doesn't get hot or anything like that. I don't know if you guys have a solution or what I should do, because I really like this phone. I really liked it, but it just doesn't seem to turn on anymore. I don't understand. So if you guys have any suggestions, please recommend it. I'll try anything to get this thing back. I'm willing to spend my money to get it fixed, but no one seems to know what to do. I tell them it's a motherboard, but I don't know. So leave a comment down there, and tell me what's wrong. Thanks.